Hello, Meshell Baker here, your sales and confidence igniter and your spiritual advisor to authentic selling, inviting you to my upcoming workshop, Dish the Imposter Syndrome and Unleash Your Unstoppable Confidence. It's going to be Tuesday, March 22nd from 6 to 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. And I'm really looking forward to taking a dive into that area where, as a business owner or even a sales leader, but if you're a contributor, that your role impacts the revenue and the bottom line of a company, I highly encourage you to take a look at this and see how you can turn any challenge situation, like if you're dealing with your sales are up and down, or you're not getting sales, or you're struggling with your quota, or you're struggling with the people you work with, your clients, your boss, any part of the situation of where you work as a contributor that has gotten you bogged down and you keep looking at the circumstances, wishing they were different, or even wondering what's wrong with you. This is a great workshop to start to take a look at how you can turn things in your favor, how you can ignite and challenge anything that's happening to you to become favorable and for you instead of happening to you. So if this is something you're looking at or interested in, please click the link below and register. Now, this is sponsored by SCORE, S-C-O-R-E. SCORE was founded in 1954 by the Small Business Administration of the United States, and SCORE, S-C-O-R-E, stands for Service Corps of Retired Executives, and it's an organization that is purely funded for the express purpose of empowering and helping business owners to thrive in the United States. So there will be a nominal contribution to help that organization, but otherwise, I highly encourage you to click the link, register, and if you have any questions, DM me or send me a message as you see this. But I look forward to seeing those who attend. We're going to have a great evening of uncovering, again, how to turn all those problems into opportunity, gifts, and possibility. Have a great one, and I look forward to seeing you if you can make it. As I said, again, March 22nd, 6 to 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. Click the link below and register. See you there.